All right, how's everybody doing? I'm Kevin Copeland with Jefferson Real Estate. Everybody's always asking, why don't you post videos? Why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? So here comes something new. We're going to be doing some videos here occasionally. We'll try and get a couple short ones up here every week. So out here in Bardi Ranch currently, decided to pull over here and do a real quick one. So everybody's always asking, what are some of the major things that sellers can do to improve their house? Well, number one, start from your driveway right at the end of the road, walk up it and see if there's anything that stands out to you. Bring a friend along, because your best friend's going to be a little more honest than you're probably going to be with yourself. Anything that detracts from the house, you need to get rid of it. It needs to go. It's got to go away from all that. You got to be, the focus has to be the house. You don't want anything that's going to distract people as they're pulling up at the driveway. Once you get to the house, the next biggest thing is obviously going to be what's your stain and paint look like? Does the house look presentable? Does it look fresh? Does it look new? After you get past the front of the house there, then of course you want the door to look really good. So if you're thinking about selling, throw a fresh coat of paint up on that door. It's going to help with that first impression. The better impression you make before they make it into the house, the less things people are going to be looking for as they're going through the house. So that's something to really keep in mind there. Beyond that, once you get inside the house, just kind of do some quick walkthroughs, squeaky doors, leaky faucets, little projects that have just gone by the wayside because they didn't bother you too much will help in the long run to help sell your house and be much less likely to have a inspection objection on the items that could have been fixed with a 5-minute fix or a can or a screwdriver, all that stuff. So we'll be continuing a little bit of this here over the next couple of weeks and keep throwing these videos out. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to reach out to me. Other than that, signing off from Bardi Ranch. I'll talk to you soon.